Welcome to my complete Python programming course, Beginner to Expert. This course has one goal, making you a top-notch software engineer with a mastery of the Python programming language. I will teach you Python programming from the ground up, starting with the basics and working all the way up to the advanced material. Whatever your goals are, this course is the only Python course you will need to master the language. If you're taking this course, you are probably aware that Python is a popular programming language and need Python skills to build some sort of project or app that you want to work on. If you're a beginner coder, you may be on the fence about learning Python. Why should you learn Python and not another programming language? After all, there are a ton of other languages like Java, C#, C++, and JavaScript. What makes Python so special? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world and one of the most in-demand skills in the industry. It is easy to learn, powerful, and well-supported. The Python programming language was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is an open-source language, meaning that the community contributes to it and anyone has access to its source code. Since its release in 1991, it has grown in features and popularity. Currently, the latest version of Python is version 3. If you want a high-paying programming job, adding Python to your resume will make you stand out and impress employers. This language is literally used in just about every facet of technology, including web development, data science, machine learning, game development, and cybersecurity. This course focuses on a hands-on, learn-by-doing approach. You will build up coding skills that you use to tackle challenge questions, solve coding exercises, and build exciting projects. In this course, you're going to use Python to code some really cool stuff. You will learn how to hack websites, crack codes, and break ciphers using Python code. We will also build a mobile app. Then we will dive into the world of cryptography as we use our Python skills to encrypt and decrypt data using ciphers. Learn how to make the computer interpret your voice using speech recognition. Write programs that automate tasks like opening programs, sending emails, working with spreadsheets, and even playing an online video game, all just by writing some Python code. Have you ever heard of IronPython and Jython? IronPython is Python combined with C#'s .NET framework. Jython is Python combined with Java. These cool combination languages will give you a deeper understanding of Python and an understanding of how it interacts with other languages. Then we will learn how to use Python to work with images and build GUIs, graphical user interfaces. We will also use our Python skills to animate computer graphics and build video games. We will use the popular Pygame library to build a 2D video game, and then learn how to build 3D games using the Panda 3D game engine. If you've ever used Unity with C#, Panda 3D is basically the Python equivalent, a 3D game engine used to build top-notch games using the Python programming language. At the end of the course comes a beginner, intermediate, and advanced Python quiz. There are hands-on coding exercises throughout the course, and each has a video afterwards explaining how to solve it. This will help ensure you got the most out of this course and retain the information that you learned. I will walk you through building each of these projects step by step, so don't worry about getting overwhelmed or stuck. My students know I break down the big concepts into digestible pieces of information that anyone can understand. Any questions you have can be posted to the Q&A forum or messaged to me on Udemy. I check my Udemy account every day to see if students have questions, and I do my best to be as responsive and helpful as possible. If you get stuck at any point during this course, send me a message and I will get you unstuck. Welcome to the course, and let's get started.